Hi guys! Today we're working on synonyms and antonyms. You should have already found this page in your Elevate book, Synonyms and Antonyms Practice 2. Let's read the directions together. Choose some unfamiliar words in your independent reading book or in the hope chest and identify at least one synonym and one antonym for each word. I've completed an example for you. I chose to do my words from the hope chest. So I wrote the title. You need to do the same. Write the title of the book that you're choosing your unknown words from. And the first word that I chose is hasty. Okay, so I put the word by word, and I put what page number. And then if you are really stuck and you don't know what the meaning is, you can actually use the thesaurus.com to help you. Okay, so here's thesaurus.com. I typed in hasty, and if I go to the top, here are the synonyms: abrupt, careless, swift, urgent, fast, impulsive, quick, rapid. All of those are synonyms, or words that mean the same as hasty. And then if I scroll down, here's some antonyms or opposite: careful, cautious, leisurely, slow, sluggish, thoughtful, wise. Okay, so you can see that I have put synonyms and antonyms in both of these boxes. Now, if you have chosen a different word, that's fine. This was just an example. Now it's your turn. Feel free to use thesaurus.com and good luck.